definitely does.
All right, Jared always comes in to report some really nice weather.
Thank you.
Right?
And I'll take all the props to it,
Yeah,
as long as I'm
course.
not getting blamed for anything bad. But you know, guys, we made the weather stay really nice through most of Fiesta, and it looks like Cinco de Mayo is going to be just as good. So your outdoor plans are in really
Perfect.
good shape. You wouldn't know it though. May tends to be the wettest month of the year. Of course, we're just in the first week, so we've got to pace ourselves. But a beautiful shot over the downtown area. We are looking at clear skies, and the winds are beginning to diminish. They're still a little bit breezy at times out of the north at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Temperature of 78 degrees. Relative humidity is very low, so we actually do have the ingredients for an elevated fire weather threat with the really low humidity, less than 25%, and winds near 20 miles per hour. No red flags are up right now, and it looks like those winds should diminish over the next few hours. That's good news. High for today, call it official 79, 5 degrees off of our average high, and not even close to that scorcher record of 99 set all the way back in 1984. So far, so good. Nothing doing in the rain gauges for San Antonio in the month of May, but so far for the year, almost at 11.5 inches, or a surplus of nearly 3 inches. So tomorrow, Friday, close out the week in great form, and your Cinco de Mayo looks like it'll be spectacular if the weather has anything to say about it. Highs in the city near 82 degrees, so sunny skies and warmer highs, and that'll be the case over the next couple of days. Big area of low pressure now affecting the entire eastern half of the United States. Hopefully your travel plans don't involve that, but compare and contrast that to the entire western half of the country, looking good. So just based on that map, we know we've got a couple of days of dry weather ahead, and with high pressure overhead, it looks like our next chance of rain may not be until the middle of next week. Meantime, temperatures, they are not that bad. 78 here, 78 over in Bernie, not even too bad off to the southwest. Cotulla at 86 and Carrizo Springs at 82 degrees. They were actually up to the triple digits about 1 week ago. Winds still a little bit breezy, but they will calm down. Once it gets dark out, we'll see these winds really begin to sink down to about 5 miles per hour. Then we'll start to cool things down, and we'll catch up to that dew point. It's bone dry out there, and that means the next few days are going to be the same. Lots of sunshine, clear skies, not even a cloud in the sky. That is until the weather pattern shifts, but it's going to take a few more days to move out high pressure and then build in that trough of low pressure for Tuesday and Wednesday. It's not even a guarantee of rain, but it looks like that'll be our next chance for a couple showers and storms. Over the next 24 hours, nothing doing, nothing in the way of rain or even cloud cover. That bodes well for our temperatures. We'll be able to cool things down. 50s here. What about 40s in the hill country? And then highs for tomorrow in the low to mid 80s here, mid to upper 80s as you go down to the south. 52 for the low for tonight. So we've got a big temperature spread. You want to dress in layers for tomorrow, going from 52 up to 82, but brilliant sunshine for your Cinco de Mayo. And in the all-important 7-day forecast, next chances of rain will be on Tuesday and Wednesday. In the meantime, we're looking nice and dry with temperatures ranging in the 80s.